may be fall break, but for some kids that does not mean it is time just to kick back. Instead, they are learning about the weather. Vicki Yates shows you the science camp that's keeping kids learning this week.
So we are going to see how to create craters, or how the craters are formed on the moon's surface.
Katie Woodward is helping to teach this class of 23 students.
When these asteroids or meteors are flying through space, moon has no atmosphere like we have here on Earth.
The finer points of the solar system.
Put your safety goggles on. Nice, you look awesome.
We get to learn about weather and space.
What did you notice, Grace? What happened on your moon?
And how it affects the Earth.
Mary Louise told us how it affects the waves and the tide of the ocean.
Today, it's all about the moon.
Do you know how those craters happened on the moon?
Students get prepared.
So what we're gonna do, I have a moon right over here on this sheet.
And a quick scan of the floor shows.
Your job today is to be the meteor. So if we dropped it from higher up, do you think that would increase or decrease their speed of the asteroid?
Increase.
It would increase it. So do you think maybe a faster asteroid might make a bigger crater?
Yes.
You think so?
They might as well be on the moon's surface.
Inside these containers, I've simulated the moon's surface.
And so the experiment begins.
I discovered that all types of balls make different sizes. It's not all the balls are the same. And if you drop this thing from a higher height, it makes the big giant thing.
Wow.
Like large balls, they can make softer sounds and they can make like not a big space.
All right, drop it, see what it does. Ooh.
Smaller are like way faster because they're lighter.
That one's heavy. Do you think it's gonna affect your crater? Wow.
So on the opposite side of the Earth, they have nighttime while we have daytime.
Later, an inflatable planetarium creates the night sky.
Our moon is always round. It's always a big round moon, but sometimes we see different shapes.
One always hears thunder before seeing the bolt of lightning.
But the children are learning more than just about the moon's surface.
It's actually that there's lightning and then the thunder comes.
You ready? Let's do it. So we trick them into learning. We make learning fun, which I think is really important. Yeah, it has more mass. And so they come here, they have a really good time, but they don't realize that what they're learning is things that they normally learn in school.
I learned that craters make different sizes of holes. When I dropped a little one in, it made a tiny hole, and when I dropped the big one in, it made a big hole.
Awesome. We look at standards, we look at cool things that are already out there and see how we can change it a little bit and make it fun.
Vicki Yates.
That one made a really deep crater.
News Channel 5.
The camp is held each year at the Discovery Center during Murfreesboro School's fall break. Other days focused on clouds, wind, and storms, and what it takes to become a meteorologist. For more information about the camp, just head to our website, newschannel5.com.
What